Suppose if I take a triangle ABC, A, B and C. A, B and C. Take the midpoints of a triangle. Let me take this midpoint. For everything I don't want to write a sentence, I want to discuss the proof. Midpoint, join it, drop perpendiculars, drop perpendiculars, drop perpendiculars. Now see here, D is the midpoint D, D is the midpoint E. AD is equivalent to DB. Second one, AE is equivalent to EC. Shift this top triangle. Shift this triangle down. If I shift this triangle down, this will become like this. If I call it as 1, this is nothing but 1. This is, shift this figure here. This is 1. If this is 2, if I shift it here, I will get 2. If this is 3, if I shift here, I will get 3. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, which is nothing but 180 degrees. I hope the proof is clear. If you observe this portion, I just flipped it to the right side. This portion, I flipped it to the right hand side. 2 came this side, top 1 came down, top 3 came down. Why are we discussing this proof? Why sum of 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degrees? Because I am going to use that concept in difference between 2 sides is less than third side. I hope 2 properties which I am going to use. I don't want to discuss that. Write down that concept by making my students mug it up, right? So those of you who are not clear with this one, what I did it is, I took the midpoints, dropped perpendiculars, shifted the figure down. If this is 1, this is 1. If this is 2, I shifted here 2. If this is 3, I shifted here 3. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, which is nothing but 180 degrees. Till your last breath, you will not forget why sum of 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. I don't want to do like an NCERT textbook, all the theorems and everything. Geometry is nothing but diagrams. I will draw diagrams and I will tell you why sum of 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. I hope this proof is clear. Any doubt? What I did in this proof? I just did shifting and rotating. If I shift the figure or if I rotate the figure, the area of the figure will not change. Sum of 3 angles in a triangle 180 degrees. I hope the proof is clear. In this one, there is another beautiful corollary out from this theorem that also we will discuss. Sum of 3 angles in a triangle is 180. I hope the proof is clear. Suppose if I take ABC, ABC, ABC. Now see here. What is that we discussed? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equivalent to 180 degrees. This angle C. Angle in a straight line is 180 degrees. Angle in a straight line is 180 degrees. So if it is angle C, this will be 180 minus angle C. So angle A plus angle B, angle A plus angle B is nothing but 180 minus angle C. 180 minus angle C is nothing but an exterior angle. This is an opposite interior angle. This is nothing but an opposite interior angle. Extremely important property. Exterior angle is equivalent to sum of the opposite interior angles. I hope the proof is also clear. Exterior angle is equivalent to sum of the opposite interior angles. I hope the proof is clear.
learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free. ANC.